On average, 20.8 million bottles of Coke and Pepsi are sold per year in Quebec. That's an estimated 705 billion milliliters of pop. The drinks are sold in either large bottles or small cans. An average of 21,000 milliliters are sold in small cans, while in large bottles it is 57,000 milliliters. What percent of volume sold came from small cans? Also, approximately how many small cans were sold in the year? To answer the first question, we need to do percent volume equals number of cans divided by total average. The total average is 705 billion milliliters of pop divided by the number of bottles sold, 20.8 million. So if we divide the total amount of milliliters of pop sold by the total number of bottles sold, then we can say that there's approximately 33,894.23 million milliliters of pop sold per bottle. Now that we have the total average, what we do is we take the number of cans, how many milliliters sold in cans, and that's 21,000 milliliters, and we divide that by the total to get 0.000000, yeah, that's right, 3 zeros, 6195 times 100 because we're trying to get a percent. And that gives us a percent of 0.06195%. So only 0.06195% of all the pop sold were sold by small cans. Now that we know how much of all the pop cans that were sold we know it was approximately 0.062% of all the bottles. We can solve the second part. So since 0.06195% of the bottles were cans, of the bottles sold were cans, then we can find the amount of cans by saying, okay, well, 0.06195%, which means out of 100, of means multiply. The bottles is 20.8 million. We multiply that all together, divide by 100. We get that the number of cans sold was actually 12,886 if we round up.